Hi everyone, we are Tech. Today we got so many things to show you, so we'll start from the VSR11. This is the original VSR11, and as a player in the war game, they all hope their sniper rifle can have better range performance. So today, we provide you a 51 cm length precision in the barrel for this VSR11. But actually, you will notice that right here, the inner barrel will expose outside the outer barrel. That may be, when you are in the war game, you may easy to hit the inner barrel. So today, we provide you an outer barrel extension part. You can remove the something like flash hider and tighten this to switch so you can extend your outer barrel. Besides, we also show you last time the cylinder head. It does actually can improve your FPS, and today it is available. Then between our experiment and so many times we tested, we find that this original part on my hand, when you reload this baby, it will send into the chamber from here into your inner barrel. But actually, this is a plastic one. So, after many times you reload and you pull the bolt, this part may be damaged. So today, we provide you a CNC part to replace it. That means, after you place that, your BB bullet can easily smooth into your BB hop up and then fire it. That will be better. And then, last time we showed you the outer steel barrel for the MK23, and some fans they asked me a question: when will be the steel slide available? Today I'll show you the prototype of the MK23 steel slide. This is CNC steel, so there are still some machine marks on the surface, but when it is available, these machine marks will disappear. And then we want to test the FPS. We use .2 BB and green gas. And now we want to talk about the Src Aeg series. Today we have 4 different products, and we will start from the Sr5 series. And this Sr5 is similar like MP5 series, and this one has a retractable stock. And the up receiver is the most big difference between other brand of Aeg. They use steel up receiver. So if I use the magnet to test it, you can see the magnet won't fall. And for other players, maybe you have experience that you have a plastic up receiver, and during the war game, it will crack or damage right here, and you see 2-part MP5 in front of you. But this time the Src have a steel part for the up receiver, so you don't need to worry about this. And then we talk about the hop up system. Not like other hop up system is set in front of next to the charge handle. This time they put the hop up right here, and if you pull out this bar backward, that will reduce the hop up like this one. And then if I push forward, that will increase the hop up system like this. And this time our Sr5 series, they all use the Generation 2 gearbox. They all use the Generation 2 gearbox. And now we want to test about this FPS. We use our Aeg lead-free battery to test the FPS. And we use .2 BB, and this time we won't need green gas, but we used to say that. and then the rate of fire. And now this one is the Sr5 fixed stock version. The feature and the materials are almost the same like the last retrackable stock version, so we'll skip the FPS test. But actually, most different is just right in the stock. Others are almost the same. And now we talk about the next one, the Sr416D. It has a flip-up front sight and a tactical stock. And outside this box, it tells you they use the Generation 3 gearbox and 8mm ball bearing. And it also gives you a battery device, so you can keep your battery inside this box and mount it on the rail system. And they also provide you a M120 400 FPS spring for you to upgrade it. The high capacity magazine. The hold-up adjust is similar like other AEGs, so we will skip the introduce. We just test the FPS. And then we test the rate of fire. This is Src 416D. And the last one will be the Sr4 plastic series. This plastic series, the biggest feature is the low receiver and up receiver. They are all plastic. Others are almost the same as other level, but the hold-up adjust is the same as others in the chamber. And this time, they provide you two different stock buttons to choice. You can replace with different one. And they storage the battery inside the stock. And the battery will similar like this one. But today, with the battery is out of battery, so we will use this leafy battery instead to test it. And now we test this plastic series Sr4 with our leafy battery and 0.2 BB. And then we test the rate of fire.